Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Dodge Durango full guide. Start by blocking the basic silhouette with light lines, focusing on proportions and overall stance. Use a horizon line and vanishing points for accurate perspective and place the wheels with correct spacing. Refine the body panels and roof line, then add headlights, grille, and window shapes. Finish with shading, highlights, and bold outlines to sell the form. Begin with light construction lines and focus on accurate wheel placement, axle alignment, and ride height for a believable stance. Draw ellipses for tires using perspective, then sketch rims and brake details. Block in doors, fender flares, and window openings with simple shapes before refining edges. Add characteristic grille and headlight forms, maintaining symmetry, and clean up stray marks so final lines are confident and ready for inking or shading. Quick recommendation: if you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel and help more tutorials reach you. Also, Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, voice control, and it keeps your studio tidy while you draw. Check the description for the link and other deals and pick one up if interested. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Use soft pencils for midtones and darker pencils for deep shadows to build volume on the hood, fenders, and side panels. Blend with a tortillon or finger sparingly to keep texture while preserving crisp reflections on glass and metal. Apply highlights with an eraser and boost contrast at edges to define parts. Step back often to check overall balance, compare left and right symmetry, and make subtle tweaks before declaring the drawing complete.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.